Let's look at what are the basic tips now on how to improve your public speaking skills. The first tip I'd like to share is, we've mentioned this a while ago, more than anything else, if you want sincerity to be projected to your audience, and again, audience wants speakers who are sincere and authentic in what they say, commit to eye contact. There is no other part of your body that can look so transparent as your eyes. So make sure you invest in eye contact. And don't just do eye contact in one part of the audience. Spread your eyes around. Left, center, right, center, right, or whatever it is. Make sure that you share yourself to everyone in the audience. The number 2 tip is walk around. A lot of people sometimes get so confused or get intimidated. They only stick to one place of the function room or the hall. But sometimes walking around is also a good thing because that means you're engaging audience physically. Sometimes when I see a member of the audience who's sleepy, I just walk a bit and stay close to that person so that the person understands that my presence is there. The person wakes up. Walking around means that you are literally engaging people, trying to get their attention and telling them, hey, I'm here. I want you also to be present here. Third one, complement your words with body language. It can never be overemphasized that words alone will not suffice how people want to portray and convey what they want people to feel. And in this case, body language is a good way to complement. So for example, again, as I've mentioned, open arms is important because that conveys power and dominance. And you want to avoid body language gestures that will cast doubt. Putting your hands inside your pockets, fidgeting too much, just biting your nails, tapping too much of your fingers, or moving your legs too much. Your body language can make or break the confidence level in your speeches and presentations. Fourth, and here's the important part, all speeches and presentations are not just one-way streets. They are two-way streets. Don't make the audience feel like that they are receiving a sermon. Make the audience feel like I am one with the speaker. I am part of the talk. And in this case, number 1, you can ask questions. In fact, guys, here's my other tactic. If I sense that one member of the audience is not listening or paying attention, I start throwing a question to that person. And so it gets the attention and it sends a message to the other members of the group, hey, you also need to listen because otherwise, I'll be asking a question also. Plus, it solicits feedback from people if they're not understanding something. Sometimes you need to nudge them. Sometimes they want to ask a question but they're hesitant because they're only shy. So maybe you want to help them out by bridging, asking those questions. Finally, and I think this is the most important part that's forgotten, humor helps. I usually have a quota for myself. I need to make the audience laugh X number of times. Because that means every 20 minutes that the attention is getting lost, and by the way, that's scientifically proven, we only get to hold attention from 18 to 20 minutes, I need to start cracking a new joke so that the energy level goes up again, and then when it gets lost, I go back again and start cracking a new joke. Cracking a new joke can mean that we need to prepare for what those jokes are, or if you're good in good terms relationship with the audience, you can use one of the audience members as part of the joke. As long as, of course, you're in good terms and you don't insult that audience member. Alright?
Hey there, gladiators and suits! Are you guys hungry for more learning? Join our monthly Boost Your Confidence workshops. Just click the link in my caption or visit jonathanyabut.com for more details.